Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving what matters. Backup save data to Nintendo Switch Online or transfer saves to another console. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the charger connected so the reset won't interrupt. Next, remove or note micro SD contents and sign out or unlink your Nintendo account if you plan to sell or hand the device to someone else. Now go to System Settings to begin the initialize process and follow the on-screen first prompts. You navigate System Settings, then System, then Formatting Options, and choose Initialize Console. When prompted, select Initialize to remove users, save data, and settings. Note you can separately format the micro SD if you want a clean card. Confirm the warnings this action is permanent and accept to begin. The console will reboot and perform erasure. While it runs, keep the unit powered. Interrupting the process can leave the system unbootable. Once the progress completes, the switch will restart into the setup screen. You complete the out-of-box setup by selecting language, region, and connecting to Wi-Fi, then decide whether to sign back into your Nintendo account. If the console fails to boot after reset, hold the power button for 12 seconds to force shutdown, then try recovery options by powering on while holding both volume buttons. This can repair startup problems. If that does not resolve the issue, note your serial number and contact Nintendo support for guided recovery or repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.